Yeah, I'm saying free all the G's and fuck le premier ministre. And I be saying that shit till they free Palestine. I know I'm Lebanese, but that's like family to me. That's why I just root for them. Beirut, Jerusalem, and Ittihad, the Union. Ain't much I wouldn't do for them. I broke bread with them at communion. I said prayers with them at the Jumu'ah. Je connais le goût de la terre, je connais l'odorat. Cosa Nostra Gomorrah, the leaders of the West are traitors, taking human lives for the paper. You ain't even noticed no churches, no mosques, no land and no quarters, no food and no water, no family, no daughters. Pussy, get it through your head. You watching CNN, believing every word they said. Presidential office only do shit for the bread, and they presidential watches are the proof of what I said. And the time they spent for watches that they put up on their wrist. A Palestinian dies, most probably was a kid. Strength to the people, and inshallah they'll survive. Judaism fine, but the Israel a lie like who the fuck said it's your promised land? You spraying bullets and it's written on them, courtesy of Uncle Sam. 50 stars in a Union Jack, and you could put this on God will bring Jerusalem back, and that's a fact.